Hi, this is Viv from the 15-day audio challenge, and I just want to do a quick video on how to use SoundCloud. So some of you may have opened your account, but I just thought I'd do this quick video to show you a few things because you would probably be using it from your iPhone and from your desktop as well. So I've already opened an account for audio content creation, but I'm just going to show you a few things of what you need to do. So I'm going to sign in. And yeah, so so you can see it says welcome to site to audio content creation. And then if you click on where your name is, you would see, oh god, well, this thing is still blocking me, so let me get rid of that. So you click on that and you click on your profile. So I've already added on a photo here because when I was opening the account I did that, but I'll show you how you can do that. It's pretty straightforward. But let's edit and fill out my profile together. So the name I chose for the account is Audio Content Creation, and that's the URL. But I've also filled in my name, so you need to fill out your full name here. And then we're going to add the links, which I think is very important for you to do because you would see when you're trying to share your file, it will allow you to share to your different profiles. So we'll set up, so we'll add this, and I've already got all my links here. So I'll just click on my website, which is audiocontentcreation.com, and put that in. And I'll say here audio content, creation, and then I'll say enter. I'm going to add another link. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I'll add another link, which will be my Google Plus account. And then when I add on, I'll just say Viv on Google Plus. And then I want to add on my Facebook account. So this is Facebook for AudioBite, and AudioBite is the parent company of audio content creation. So I haven't opened a new account for audio content creation. So this is AudioBite on Facebook, and then I'm going to add on Twitter. So we'll go back and get the link for Twitter. Same thing, AudioBite on Twitter. And then the last link is going to be Pinterest. So you can add on different types of links you want people to find you. Because remember, this is your profile, and this profile actually shows up on Google Plus, on Google. So when they do a search for you, so you can add on as many links as you want. So this is AudioBite on Pinterest. So that's it. So, oh, I forgot to put in country. So United Kingdom. And then here's where you can put in who you are and what you want people to know you are. So maybe you have an online profile as well, and this is where you can put in stuff. So I have written out my own profile here. I've just done everything so I can go through this video very quickly. So you can put in some keywords that are relevant to you and your industry, and I've put in mine. I'll show you in a second when I post it so you can see what I've done. So I've put in audio content creation is part of AudioBite, and we're audio and podcast consultancy, audio content strategies and solutions for businesses. So this is what I want people to know about audio content creation on SoundCloud. So I'm just going to Save that. So that has been updated. So next thing I want us to do is to upload a file so you can see how easy and straightforward it is. When it comes to the image, I'll show you how you can do it and what it looks like when you're trying to add an image. Okay, so, oh, sorry, we're going to upload. So when you click on upload, this is what you see. It says you can start a new recording straight from your computer, or you can upload a file you've already recorded. I haven't said any of this during our challenge because I want the challenge to be from your iPhone or from your Android phone. I want it to be short and easy. When you're recording stuff from your computer, I guess you have to think about a microphone and other things. And the audio quality from an iPhone or an Android phone is pretty good. So I want it to be a very seamless and easy challenge for you to go through. So see what it says here. It says 180 minutes I have left. So, and this is new actually because it used to be 120 minutes for a free account. Okay, so let's choose a file, and I've set up a folder for this for this video. So this is the folder, and you can see it's going to be a body review. So MP3 file, I just click on it, choose, and then it starts uploading. You can see the process it's going through. I'm not going to touch anything until everything has been processed because I don't want to disrupt that upload going on. So that was pretty quick. So this is what you see if you're trying to upload an image. This is what you see. It's blank. And the size you should use for your image is either 300 by 300 or 350 by 350. I think that's the maximum it will go on to. The one I use is 350, and I've used 300 before, and it's worked just fine. So you can decide which size you want to go for, or somewhere in between. It will still work. So when it comes to images, if you don't want to put in, so you've uploaded your audio and you don't want to include an image here, it will pick up the image that you've used for your account. So if you don't want to change the image, don't worry about that. Just leave it. But if you do, then you know it would mean that that image represents exactly what you're trying to, what this audio file is all about. And I want this audio file to be different, so I want people to know what it's about. So I think an image is a good way to tell people what it's about. So I want to upload an image, so I'm going to go back to that folder, and the image I have is representative of what it is. So it says audio content challenge body review, and that's what the file is about. So this is for the challenge itself. So it uploads very easily. And then let's go to the title. So if this is going to be a private file because it's going to be in audio for the challenge, so nobody else is going to see it. So what I would do here, if I was going to upload this onto my website and I want it to be found in Google, I'll be very careful about, not careful, but I'll really think about what I'm going to put for the title. So since I'm not worried about that, I would just say 15-day audio challenge and body review. So people in the group would know what it's about, and I'll see what's happened now. The URL has changed, so that's why I think it's really important to think about the title you're going to use, because this is the URL. It forms the URL, and of course you know that URLs are quite important. So tags as well. So what tags what are relevant to your sector? So mine is 15-day audio challenge, and I'll show you something in the next one. Audio. So when you're doing this, make sure that it's within the brackets, the quote marks, otherwise it's not going to, it wouldn't appear. So I'm going to do that. So that appeared. And it's actually, you see it when I do the next one, which is audio. Hang on. Audio content. So you can see it's already in the quote marks, so I can press enter. Another one is business owners So you see it's in the quote marks, entrepreneurs. Oh, entrepreneurs and bloggers. So that's all I'm going to put in for my tags. So description is really good, because the other thing I haven't mentioned is that, well, I mentioned that audio, the SoundCloud gets picked up in search. So this is where you can actually put in some keywords so that, of course, it enriches your search digital footprint. So I have already done my what I want to say here. So I'm just going to copy it and paste in there. And you notice that it has a URL. And when you're putting in your URL, you can put as many as you want. It really doesn't matter. But when you're putting your URL, it should say the HTTP and the full address. So that's the only way it will show as a link within the audio. Okay, let's look at metadata. This really is not for us because we are not musicians, so we're creating content, the spoken word, so this doesn't concern us. Permission, so this is where you would be interested, this is what you'd be interested in. So it says enable app playback, so if you're going to use your app, yes it would, or people are listening to it from their app, yes. Display embed code, yes, because you're going to put it on your website if people want to display it on their website. And then here it says enable download, so you want people to be able to download the stuff that you're putting out. But if you don't want to, you don't have to click this, but I'm going to click this because I think people within the group would be interested in that. So save, and there we go. Yeah, so let's go to the track, and you can see it's already uploaded. And you can see down here there are a few things. So people, you can like it. It can, if you wanted to add it to a playlist. So if I was doing other things in the challenge and I just wanted and other things within audio content creation, and I only wanted stuff within the challenge to be in one playlist, then I'll set up a playlist, and it's very easy. You just click on that, title it, and then you want it to be public or private, so not everybody has access to it. That's fine, you can do that, and then you save. But I'm not going to do that right now. And then you can join groups. So this is really for if you are a musician. So that's not good. But share is really important. So click on share, and you see what's happened. Once you've added on your social media profiles, it all shows up here, and it allows you to share to your different platforms. So this is a private link. I mean, I've set it up as a public link, but I'm going to change it to private after this video. So what you do is, if I wanted to share this onto the Facebook group rather than my Facebook wall, I'll show you what happens. So if I wanted to share it onto my personal Facebook, I will click on that, and you see what happens. It takes you to my personal profile, but I don't want to share it onto my personal profile because this is work related. So I'm going to cancel that. If it's to Twitter, because this is for the challenge, I'm not gonna post anything. So it shows you what you can do. So you can alter all this, but what the other code behind at the bottom is actually the code that allows the play button to show in Twitter. So this is pretty cool. Tumblr, I don't use Tumblr, so I really don't know how it works. On Google Plus, this is how it shows up, which is really nice. So it just allows you to embed it very easily, and then you type in what you want, and then of course you add the circles that you want to use. On my other account I have a lot more circles than this, but well, no, it doesn't matter. And then on Pinterest, you just click on that, and it already takes you to your Pinterest account, and then whatever board you want it to go on. So of course you choose which boards you want it on, and that's fine. And then you pin it, and so that's really easy, straightforward. But let's say I wanted to send this on to the Facebook group where we're, oh, another thing. If you were going to, oh, what's this doing now? So say you wanted to embed this on your website. This is how you do it. There are two ways you can do it, and there are two formats. So this could be a large one, so you can see the height is quite large. You can see if you wanted to reduce it or increase it, it gives you three options. So we're leaving that on that. It doesn't matter because I'm not using this. If you wanted to play automatically when people arrive on the page that it's on, then you can click that as well. Oops, sorry, I hadn't finished showing you that. And if you wanted to have it as a smaller size, then you can do this as well. The beauty about having it at this size is you can actually use your branded colors to display what this icon will be. So let's just see. So you see, it changes it to green when you do that. But I'm not using this for now. That's fine. If you wanted to send it as an email to people, you just type in their email addresses and press send, and that will be fine. But I want to put it in the group. I want to share it in the group. So I'm just going to show you how that works. So I'll copy the link, and I'm going to go into the Facebook group. We're already here, and I'm just going to type in here, hi everyone, this is a clip for you to listen to. And then I'm just going to paste that link. And you can see it's shown up. So all the content I put into, well, most of the content I put in here shows up. I think if I had put this, if I'd done this so that this starts as a new paragraph, then you'd have just seen only this. I think it's probably 160 words that it picks up on. So that's fine. I just post that and it's ready to play. So let's just have a little listen. Yeah. So that's ready for you to listen to. So let's go back here. Yeah, so I don't think there's anything else that you need to know. If you wanted to look, because you don't have anything on your, we have only one track here, then it's not going to show up as the different audio pieces that you need. So for this challenge, you don't need to pay for anything. This is a free account as it stands now. So I hope that's useful, and it was, straightforward. So I'm going to put this on the challenge page that we just saw now. Okay, take care then, and see you inside. Bye.